Say, God's gift.
God's gift. My eyes help me see a beautiful flower, a bird, a tree. My ears help me hear you call me dear. My nose helps me smell bad, sweet, and spicy. My skin helps me feel hot, cold, and warm. My hands keep me busy, so I stop being noisy. My feet, tongue, main body, all God's gift to me. Hello, Tito John.
Hello, Ninang Ana.
Hello, Ninang Ana.
I miss you.
I miss you. I love you.
Kiss.
Ayaw.